That's a hot day out. Don't laugh.
I can't take it seriously.
Don't laugh.
Yeah, got the door open.
Yeah, wish the air conditioner worked in this unit.
Bryce, look.
What are you doing up there? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Bryce, and today is Tuesday, October 6th. And I'm out here with my friend Nick Rossman. He invited me out to come ride in the grain cart, so Yep, we're just sitting here waiting for a semi right now. We got a full load and waiting for a truck.
Yeah.
Do you know where it's at?
No.
Nope.
Not here.
Not here. It's coming though.
Yeah.
Nick, the truck's here. Where's it going? Just like that, Nick got the truck full. He wrote it down in his little book on how much he put on the truck, and now we're going to find the combine again. So Nick is helping their hired guy in the combine get out of the field here. Need to go over a couple fences here. And he just told me to come and get the tractor. I've never driven a tractor like this before. So let's see if we can figure it out. So first things first, find the key. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, step one is done. Now I think we gotta move this. Okay. Let off the clutch. Oh my God, we're doing it. Look at that. I don't even need any instructions to drive. I can just figure it out on my own. Look at that. That's pretty slick. Throttle is right here. And then that's how we speed up. Look at that. This is pretty cool, guys. So as you can see right there, they have some pretty narrow entrances coming into these fields. And it's pretty tight with that 35-foot head. But they're able to pivot the head up and down on each side to get through. This one's just pretty tricky here. So I'll just sit here and wait till he can get through, and then we'll go pick Nick back up. I I usually don't pick up hitchhikers, but I got a good feeling about you.
Make an exception today.
Well, I got to drive for like a minute, then he kicked me back out of the seat. Why you gotta be so mean?
Cookies.
No, we're just switching fields here, and he's gotta mess around with the scale, so I'll let him do what he's gotta do. So we pretty much got this field opened up here, so Nick and I are going to chase down the combine. We're going to unload on the go here.